Lin'an Dayang Welding Materials Company Limited was founded in 1995. After 25 years of constant efforts, we have developed into a high-technology enterprise specialized in manufacturing all kinds of welding materials. Especially in 2015, Dayang invested 200 million yuan to set up a modern production base in Taihu Yuan Town, Lin'an District, laying a solid foundation for the company's sustainable development. Innovation R&D, precision management, accurate service is the fundamental principle of our company, Dayang. We own the production line of oil pressure equipment with an annual production capacity of 5,000 tons of welding rods and other production lines of welding wires, with an annual export volume of more than 10,000 tons. The company has been approval-led by ISO 9001 Company System Certificate, already exported to United States, Russia, Germany, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, etc., with the export volume increasing year by year. Our own brand, Ocean Welding, Dayang, Xiang, are popular in the marketing. The company's products mainly include series of stainless steel electrodes, carbon steel electrodes, cast iron electrodes, surfacing electrodes and other kinds of electrodes, series of stainless steel wires, copper alloy wires, aluminum alloy wires, carbon dioxide gas shielded wires, flux cord wires, and other kinds of welding wires, a total of more than 100 varieties. The company has attached great importance to product quality and technical progress. We also have strong independent R&D ability with own lab, professional technical engineers, and advanced production equipment. We can carry on OEM order and ODM order for overseas clients. Since found, the company won many titles of Integrity Demonstration Enterprise, Zhejiang Export Famous Brand, Zhejiang Contract Abiding and Trustworthy Enterprise, and so on. Our products are widely used in petrochemical, chemical, nuclear power and electric power, aerospace, light industrial machinery, food machinery, and pressure vessel manufacturing industries in big marketing demand. To the future, Dayang will keep pace with the development of the times, accelerate technological innovation, improve product quality, strengthen management system, and take win-win cooperation as the goal. Welcome to join hands with us together in creating the future.